In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to create a digital copy of your voice with free AI tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the website. Open your web browser and go to minimax.io. Once on the homepage, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Voice Clone from the menu. Step 2. Upload or record your voice. You have 2 options. Record a new voice sample, or upload an existing audio file from your device. Maximum file size, 20 megabytes. Note: you must sign in with your Google account to proceed. After signing in, you'll receive 10,000 free credits for generating voice samples. Step 3. Record your voice. Tap Record Audio and grant microphone access when prompted. The recording will start after a 3-second countdown. You can record up to 60 seconds of audio. After recording, you can play back the audio to review it. Step 4. Configure your voice clone. Check the box to remove background noise, which is optional. Enter a name for your voice. Choose the appropriate language. Tick the box to consent to voice usage. Click Convert to start cloning your voice. The system will generate 3 variations of your cloned voice. Step 5. Save your voice clones. For each generated voice, tap the 3 dots next to it. Select Collect to add it to your favorites. Step 6. Use your voice for text-to-speech. Now let me show you how to use them while converting text to speech. Open the main menu again by tapping the 3 lines. Then choose Text-to-Speech. Enter the text you want to convert to speech. Maximum, 5,000 characters. Tap the voice selection option. Navigate to Collected Voices and select one of your cloned voices. Step 7. Generate and download the audio. Switch your browser to desktop view to enable the download feature. Then tap Generate to begin the voice synthesis. You can listen to the audio as it's being generated. Once complete, tap Download to save the voice file to your device. To use a different cloned voice, switch back to Mobile View, select a new voice, and repeat the process. Thanks for watching! If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share to support others looking to explore AI voice cloning.